Yeah. Keep alive and kicking
Yes.
for the whole
Keeping
day.
in the boo-boo.
Our breakfast for today is cereal with this. I don't know what kind of fruits is this.
Granatapfel.
Grenade.
Yeah, like
Granite.
grenade. Like a
Grenade
grenade.
apple.
Grenade
I don't know in English.
Yeah, it's grenade apple.
Yeah,
It's a
some
funny name, but it's like a
cereal.
muesli.
And I use the banana.
Banana
Some
pizza.
coffee.
Milk.
Yeah, and today is July 20.
Yes.
Last week of holiday.
Yes. This morning I get up at 5 o'clock in order to ensure that I have to go next week to work, not today, because I
Wow, you
train
train already yourself?
Yeah. Don't want to make mistakes sitting here and relaxing with you. Hello, sweetie, and then my boss will call you. Where are you? We start now. I forgot. Because you laugh, but the thing is serious.
Yeah, it's not easy to adjust again.
Because I didn't make any mention or whatever. I was going and leaving the team 1 hour before all other people. That's why I haven't seen the last team session where a lot of documents, when the exactly time we have to go, when the time plan is scheduled, everything. I don't know this all because I was not there.
Because you're already on a holiday. Okay. I will show you our action this day. We don't know yet, but this morning we have tasked to do 2 things.
Yes, we can.
So see you later. So for today's video, another excursion action. Today is Monday, July 20.
Yes.
And we decided to go out to do the barbecue for lunch. Late lunch and early dinner, right?
Yes,
Because we haven't
it's
ate
now
lunch.
15
Yeah.
minutes, so 3 o'clock p.m.
Yeah.
So we're hungry. Before that, we filled some sheets out, official documentation
Yeah.
for
That's why.
a lot of things here. So I just want to say the word now.
Yeah.
Nice.
And now we find our spot,
Yes.
our wide restaurant.
Yes, right.
And this area is the area that is
It was
flooding.
It was so high.
I sure remember
so
there.
Our car would be completely drawn and underwater
Yeah.
if this height of water will reach again. So this is crazy.
So I will show you later there when we reach our spot for barbecue.
Look to the wall here, how high
Yeah.
that is. So that's more high than our car is. That's more
Yeah.
than 2 meters.
Yeah. But now it's over. It's finished.
You can see the old line where the water is standing still here on this.
Yeah.
You see that?
So this is the street we always
Use
use every day when we go out.
Yep.
Yeah. And here is the main. It is main.
It's main road.
Yeah, main
Yes,
road.
Main road.
Across road.
Bingo main.
And as you can see there, have a gasoline station.
Yes.
Esso.
SO.
Yeah, in the Philippines also have like that,
Yeah,
and
yes,
more,
also.
and expensive still the gasoline here in Germany. Yeah, it's more, and more. And that building is Peter Kong.
Peter Köln, Müsli
Produce the cereal or
right.
what is that? Yeah,
Muesli.
muesli here in Germany. Muesli
Yes.
in English is cereals.
Right.
Made of oats and a lot of things inside. And yeah, okay, I will show you later. We unpack our things.
What, sorry?
We unpack.
Oh, okay. It's funny.
What?
It's funny to be here again. That's nice. That was perfect.
Sign for
So good. It's funny, my bunny, oh Lani.
Wait, this one is already expired.
Which one?
Your can here.
Yeah, this is very old inside. That's not.
harvester. Here is a farm, you know, farming. This one have that part had cows, right? And then this one used for the people who wants to do the barbecue in this side, and used for the bus. Is it for the bus also?
No, I don't think so. This is really for sheltering.
For shelter for the people who wants to go to the farm to watch out, to go walk. They have shed for raining, right?
On this big grassland here, there's a small grave between. You can't go here now. There's the entrance.
Okay.
There are so many apple trees, and once
Yeah.
in a year there's a big apple festival.
Yeah, and here is until there is apple trees, and that dike. We call dike.
Yeah.
Dike to protect the water that to come here, right?
Yes.
Because behind that dike is water.
Yep.
It's the Colmar.
There's the harbor from Elmshorn.
Oh, yeah.
The sports boat harbor.
Yeah, it's a harbor. And then as you can see is Elmshorn, the one the how to say that? Our city? Elmshorn or state? The Elmshorn?
Yeah, we are a little bit remote now. We are on the west side.
Yeah, we are in the west side of our place, Elmshorn. And then in that side, that dike have a lot of sheep. A lot of carnero. Carnero. Yeah. So we're here again to do the barbecue. So okay. We start now to make a fire again. Because
More easy than last time.
yeah, because now we bring
Igniting a liquid. This is much
Yes.
more better. This will go much more quick. We have the same gear on our body than last time by barbecue. This is our barbecue t-shirt.
barbecue team.
Team barbecue. Team Lami Talk is not working anymore.
And inside the car, Zonki have already things to do the barbecue, all the knife, the pork, the what is that? Everything.
What's a camping car? That's the big
Yeah,
one.
it's a camping car usually.
We will fill some water for our hands to,
Yeah,
to
and then
clean. That's good.
we have what is that? A water.
Nice. They call this camping. You want to see that again?
Yeah. Yeah, it's always inside a car have water. Then when we
Drink
decide
water
to go
or
out
clean water, doesn't matter
do
anyway.
a barbecue,
Things
yeah, it's already inside our
Yes, camping.
camping cart.
Yeah, it's really like that. I built it for it. All the boxes inside. I built this for it. For this. You can buy it from VW, but
Yeah.
no.
We have a onion,
Yes.
some wow. Look at that, guys. You're getting hungry now. Wow. You're hungry also. Look at that.
Marinated meat.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
luxurious,
I eat
luxury.
nice now.
We have salad.
I think it was maybe a little bit too much. But it doesn't matter.
Why you put so much? It's not harmful. We bring
It
also
will all
some
burn away. That's okay. Yes. that's
chips.
nice.
It's not chips. It's
Be careful if it's right now.
then this one. The paprika.
Paprika.
And some
Ram
Sauce.
sam puli
Sauce.
ram sam.
now it's starting the and then ooh, just one water only. We bring water for drinking. The other one is for only cleaning. And some potato. I don't know if we can eat because we have a lot of meat. I don't know, just bring only. And then we have hippie vibe beer. Yeah, I bring this one.
What?
It's beer. The name Perlenbach. What is that? Perlenbach. Whatsoever how to pronounce. And then knife. And then this one, when you have small things to do to grill or to barbecue, you just put inside and then you just do this. Chug, 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 chug. So good, huh?
What?
Yeah, like that. So easy. And then we bring this one also. As you know, if you do like this, yeah, a foil. Yeah, that's we need to do the barbecue. Need to prepare this one. And yeah, later I will show you how everything will put there on the grill.
Of course.
Hmm?
Of course.
Blind?
Yes.
Now I cut the here.
Yeah, can you? And I will cut a little bit the onions.
Yes, sure, Baba.
Yeah, that's nice. I know that you know how to do it.
Of course. Ooh, ooh.
That's a good idea to keep this with us. That's nice.
Huh?
That's a good idea to keep this with us.
Yeah. This one. If you have corn, tomato maybe, or chili, you put like this. Then you put it. It's very easy. Twang, twang, twang. You turn only. Whoa! You have in the wrong direction?
This one knows, right? Because of this lifting aperture later on. That's okay.
No, the wind.
The wind? No, this might be the wind.
And then first one.
This here?
Yeah.
Was this recorded?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Nobody heard.
It's no farting, this is thunderstorm.
Yeah, it's thunderstorm. Smell good now. I'm hungry.
Very nice.
Look
This is
at that.
barbecuing.
Look.
Wow! Nice. Oh my goodness.
Maybe I will focus.
Starts
Then somebody will
developing nice.
get.
Hopefully they don't assault us.
Wow.
Oh,
It's yum
what
yum.
a wonderful world. You know, this is
Yeah.
the song when you know the background you will cry. You know why?
Oh yeah. This side.
He wrote this song for for his friend who passed away because of cancer. At
Yeah.
the last moment. The last day.
This is sad story of this song.
Yeah, absolutely. This is really hard going. Not easy.
So guys, you can smell the smell
Oh,
there.
such a pity that you can't smell. That's so good. Such a pity you can only view it.
Nicole, can you smell?
Hola, hola, hola. Oh my goodness, that is nice smell. You wouldn't believe this.
Suddenly, we here again. Oh, careful your eyes.
No, it's okay.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
That smoky smell so
Oh,
good.
nice.
We're hungry, ah. she like to blow the smoke because you can smell the
Yeah, right. It's so beautiful.
you can smell the barbecue already.
Nice.
Very hungry.
So good. Yummy, yummy, believe me.
So here you need to go out to do this charcoal barbecue because not allowed in the flat you have, right? So you need to find a spot to do the barbecue because of smoky. because of smoke, not allowed.
Yeah.
So like this here in Germany, it's very very nice, and I really enjoyed. We really enjoyed, enjoyed. Yeah. Oh, on record. Oh my. So in progress now. Wow. You want to eat now?
Yeah, I told you.
It's the water. What's it there? Stand lah. Don't like that lah. Otherwise we hungry.
A little bit smoky, right?
Now is what? The temperature
Okay.
is 14. A bit cold today. That's why we wear the warm jacket. And good. If it's cold, then you do the barbecue. Right?
Then she was good. Yeah, so that's right.
Then I try the potato. To have space there. I don't know how. First time also. Maybe we have.
Is it smoky or is it okay for you?
It's okay. Barbecue. That's why.
Yeah.
If not don't have smoke, then this is not a barbecue.
Yeah, that's relaxed.
Oh yeah. Use the. Yeah.
The fan.
Mm. Careful your nose. If your nose become burned there, then
Looks not nice. What a taste of that is.
yummy. And we have salad. Look at that, guys. Oh, so big. See, amazing. So big.
Nice.
Barbecue in Germany. You pray now?
Yeah.
Later.
Well, thank you so much for this food, what I asked you to bless us. Thank you for this opportunity of free time here and what I asked you to put everything to our hand, of course, because there's the application next week and this appointment, I want to ask you to make this happen and that everything gets really good. It's everything is good, it's beautiful next year. Please be with us. Thank you that we have time together now. Amen.
Thank you, Lord. Amen. Thank
So-
you, chats.
Can I serve
Any.
you?
I
All of
think
it?
this one is ready, no? Thank you. Wow.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Waka waka.
It's good that we don't eat lunch.
Yeah, that's right, absolutely.
First one is for Nicole.
Yes.
Mm.
We don't make people jealous, but it's nice taste. That's all. And nice taste.
Yummy.
That's good. Nothing to really place.
The
It's
cow
so-
wants to eat also.
Very nice. Very nice.
You cook already?
Yeah, looks good. Oh. What a nice taste. So good.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. Maybe you can.
Careful. Maybe we put the this one, the garlic.
No, let it also be inside for it.
Right there.
Yeah. No, I had a bit of space here now.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
That's the life here in Germany if they have holiday.
Yeah, easy going.
Yeah. But when they start, also their work is you're getting crazy also.
Yeah, like
So
everywhere.
it's just like you need to balance, right? That's why I always compromise to go out. What? Compromise?
Yeah.
And eat a lot.
And you always have to be aware because of this funny weather.
And then we take the opportunity. The weather is good, then we go out. Only this year is the weather in here in Germany is good, right? You
Yeah.
have too much
year was
summer
more cold and-
sunlight. Yeah, last year is raining,
A lot.
a lot raining and no really sunlight last year. So only this year have 39, 40. We reached 40, right? You reached 40 the temperature. Too hot. Thank you. This cook already?
Yeah. That's what. Long time finished. You wait for the next one.
Is this the same taste?
No, you got one different. One is one for the other one.
Is that? Is that the same? Looks like the same you give me.
Not really.
Huh?
No, it's the same.
But this one, no?
Is it? You want to have this one?
No,
Let me
like it's
check.
the same, right?
Yeah, looks like that. So
Yeah. Yeah. I told you.
Sorry.
That's why it's same.
Is it a bit different? Yeah.
Is that true? That is the one is different, right?
As always, eating, sleeping, finished. No,
Holiday, lah.
so, yeah, it comes back to normal, believe me. More quick than we wanted. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh. Just the time.
I can catch that. And chili powder, chili sauce.
Very nice. Good nice.
Words to wait. Ich liebe dich. It means I love you. 10 long years I held on tight. Every prayer whispered through the night. Distance tried, but love stayed strong. Kay Lord, kami pinabayang kailanman. Through every tear, through every call, God's grace carried it all. Even when time tried to break our plan, He showed His miracles, His mighty hand. We've been through fire, we've been through rain, but His love kept healing the pain. In every test we found His way. Now here we stand today. It was worth to wait. Through the years, through the fate, Ich liebe dich, my heart will stay.
Right?
Forever with you, come what
Very
may.
nice.
God wrote our story page by page. Love and grace, no time can
Oh,
cage.
this week is
It was
nice.
worth to wait. Ich liebe dich. From
So big.
miles apart to holding hands, from prayers to wedding bands, what seemed impossible became so real. 'Cause God's love
Yep.
sealed the deal. In last minute trials, we didn't fall. Jesus stood and carried it all. Now we shine in His embrace.
Not yet, not yet.
Forever thankful for His grace.
Yes, first,
It was worth to wait through the years, through the fate. Ich liebe dich, my heart
this one can put also salad, you know.
will come what may. Every moment, every day, God has led us all the way.
Chili, wow.
It was worth to wait. It was worth to
I want the onion again. How to say it?
So I cut to this one, maybe.
My heart says, worth to
Yeah,
wait.
I can play it.
Wow, I think this is spicy. Then our smell is become Indian, huh?
Yeah. Should I cut?
Half maybe. Thank you. Is that nice?
Looks good.
Is it?
Yum.
Spicy. Maybe. It's good to put in the become bun.
Yeah.
A little bit, lah. We became hungry.
What?
Can you smell our food? Don't stop there.
Nice. You try? Very nice. I think the next meat should be Chinese.
Mm-hmm.
Try that.
Yeah.
Careful.
Dankeschön. So that's our nice background. House sheep.
Ah,
Watching us eating barbecue.
they want to take part.
And on the other side, have cows also watching us. That side.
The sheep,
Alright.
sheep are also a little bit jealous. Smoked. They don't like smoked meat, but smoked grass maybe.
You can eat this.
No, no,
You don't like
no. Green, only green.
only vegetable grass. But pig can eat pig, you know.
Yeah, they eat all. That's why the name pig.
Is it? No more. They climb up.
Sheep love really potato sticks, potato chips. It's crazy, but it is.
It's because of salty, maybe.
Right. They lick their mouth. And they demand more. They come to us.
But they knows that this one also is healthy, you know. This one is potato. Maybe. I don't know. You never try to
And they
become a sheep.
They want everything.
Sheep.
They want to have everything. A little bit chips addicted.
Super yummy.
What?
Vasa versus beer.
Sky.
Why? So that's our action today. And next day, on Friday day, I will tell you. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
And sorry that you feel hungry there.
Doesn't matter, they have to suffer, sweetie. Good night, bye bye.
Bye.